Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to audit SQL Server passwords. The first thing you'll need to do is check and make sure that the user running this query has sufficient permissions. For this one, you either need sysadmin or security admin permissions to run the next query I'm going to show you successfully. So with this one, it's checking if the is server role member sysadmin for the system user here is 1, and therefore we know that I can run this query and get complete results. So that's the first part. And the second part, you need to query the SQL logins table, and you're looking for the name, is policy checked, and is expiration checked. And we also added in a where clause here of is disabled as 0. So we just filtered out disabled users. You could remove that where clause if you wanted to. So then I go ahead and run this query. And you see that I have 2 users that aren't disabled. One is Tom Brady, who is policy checked. So that means that he is required to follow the Windows password policy we have in place. And we also have Tom Brady's is expiration check. So he has to change his password every 90 days or whatever your organization settings are. But then we have Kirk here, who's not policy checked. So his password could be 1234 or anything and is not required to change it on a certain frequency. So that this is policy checked is definitely something I would recommend getting sorted out. The is expiration checked is kind of up to the engagement or up to the organization. You definitely don't want people to have to change their passwords every 90 days for system accounts, but human users and kind of employees should definitely be subject to that. So this would be something you want to write up and have management improve. Just for reference here, I can kind of show you how you'd improve that or how you would fix that here. So I went into security, right-clicked on Kirk, going into properties, and you can click enforce policy here, and click OK. And then if you rerun that, you'll see that Kirk is now policy checked and is expiration checked. Definitely want to make sure your all these users are policy checked, and again, that expiration check is kind of up to you. So these queries are saved, and you can find them on my website. And then there's also an example work paper that you could work with to kind of mark this up if you needed to for an audit. That's it for this video. I hope you found some value. If you have, please like and subscribe. If not, thanks again for your time. Hope to connect with you soon.